Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will be teaching you classes and objects. I want you to think of classes as a blueprint and objects as what's built from the blueprint. As you can see in this diagram, we have a blueprint of a car and we've called it our class. Now we can make objects from this blueprint of a car. So as you can see, you make objects from classes. The classes contain attributes, like how many wheels, color, engine, and action. Each of the objects can differ, so there can be a red car, a blue car made from the same blueprint, but the attributes stay. It's pretty simple. Over here, I have already coded a class for us. The way you make a class is you type class, and then you name your class, so it could be named anything like hello, but you want to keep it relevant, so I've named mine car. After that, you need to initialize your class, so you do def underscore underscore init underscore underscore, and then you have to type self and initialize or define your attributes. So we have color, wheels, action, and quality. After that, you do self.color, self.whatever attributes you picked it, and you're basically turning them into a variable you can use basically. And then after that, as you can see, I've made 4 functions. These are basically things you can use with your objects, things you can have your objects do. If you're wondering, by the way, the F means function at the start of my strings. It allows me to in-place a variable name in square brackets, as you can see, and whatever's inside the variables will be outputted as a string. So over here, I have already made an object with my class. My object is called car1, made with the car class. It's red, has 4 wheels, so you have to in-place these attributes when you make your object. It's red with 4 wheels, its action is driving, and its quality is working. Should have probably named that state, but well. The way you run these functions with your object is you type the name of your object, car1, and you type the function you want to use, .build. So let's run our code. As you can see, the red has 4 wheels. It stated the name or the color of our object, red, and it said it has 4 wheels, which is what this is. You can use it multiple times with your function. Now you can do this with any other one. Crash. The red car is being destroyed, and it has changed self.quality to destroyed. You can do many different things. I've just chosen to do it like this. We can make more objects too. Car2. Let's make an object called car2 with the class car. Let's make this blue, 4 wheels. You know, actually, we'll make this one broken too. Let's just say parked and broken, or destroyed or broken. Yeah. Now we have car2. Car2 dot state. Let's run this. The blue car is parked. That's the state it's in. It's got parked. So this is what basically you can do. Many different things you can do with classes. You can make characters in video games where you can have a parent class and then they all do different things. All the NPCs and stuff are objects. And yeah, you can do it with items in games, etc. So that's enough for today's video. Like and subscribe please, and I'll see you in the next one.